Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy at home with fruit. First, select your favorite fresh fruit like berries or mango. You'll also need unflavored gelatin and a natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup. Make sure to have your silicone molds or a small, parchment-lined baking dish ready. This simple process will yield delicious, customizable treats. Next, blend your chosen fruit until it forms a smooth puree. For example, 1 cup of strawberries will yield a vibrant red puree. In a separate bowl, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin over 1/4 cup of cold water and let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Meanwhile, gently warm your fruit puree in a small saucepan with a tablespoon or 2 of sweetener. Once the fruit puree is warm and the gelatin has bloomed, add the gelatin mixture to the warm puree. Stir continuously until the gelatin is fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Carefully pour this liquid into your prepared silicone molds or the baking dish. Place the molds in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing the gummies to set completely. After chilling, your homemade fruit gummies are ready. Gently pop them out of their molds. These delightful treats are perfect for a healthy snack or a fun dessert. Store any leftover gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For more great tips and product recommendations, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after all that gummy making.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.